This inventory tutorial explores how to create and merge groups. First, log in as administrator, and then click the icon in step 3 and click the Edit button. To create a brand new group from scratch, select one of the empty slots and check the Make this a group box in the In-Out editor. Type in the name for this new group and double-click the image. You can go to our website's inventory icon library to see if there's an image that matches. If so, simply right-click and select Copy Image, and then paste it into Paint. Then close the image editor. Here, you can also edit the defaults for all group members. In this example, we'll change the default commodity to produce and specify that only donations come from farms. Next, click the Edit Group Members button and click the Add New button to type in the names of each of the group members. Close the In-Out editor, and if you want to change where the icon is within the screen, click the Move button and use the arrows to move your new icon to the position desired. Click the Moving button again, and your new entries are ready for use. Now let's look at a situation where you want to edit an existing icon entry and change it from a single selection to now becoming part of a group. For example, you may have started out with food recovery from one Quick Trip location, but now you're adding another store. Select the icon and click on the Convert to New Group button. If you've already used the entry for recording previous donations, click the Yes button in the dialog that appears to make the entry as part of the new group, allowing for a new group name to be entered. Then, click on the Edit Group Members button and select the original entry and click Edit. Adjust the name to help distinguish it from your new entries. Note that historical data will also be renamed to match. Now, because this group has the Feeding America box checked, the software also asks if the Meal Connect code needs to change. For the existing entry, we'll just leave it as is. Then, click the Add New button to create additional locations for this group, entering a unique name and, if it's a Feeding America entry, also entering the location's banner and store numbers. When done, close the editor, and your slot is now a group selection, ready for use. One final feature we'll go over is merging groups. Let's say you want to combine all the entries in the Gardens group and the Farms group into one. With editing on, select the group's icon and click the Merge with Another Group button. Then select the group you wish to merge this one into and click Merge. The software also gives you the option of resetting the image used for the old slot back to the blank placeholder. Click Yes if so desired. That's all there is to it. You can see that the Gardens group now lists all of the gardens and farms. When you're done editing groups, be sure to click the Admin Logout button, and your system is ready. To learn more about our inventory software, you can review the manuals on the website or contact us. We'd love to help.